Hello again, everybody. This is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It is still Friday, May 29th, and after seesawing around, really nice technical action here in the markets today. Nice little double top right at this 9140 area. Good resistance in here for a while. We had a little bit of an intraday breakout into this resistance at 9140. We watched all those things unfold in the new chat. Again, had just a couple technical issues with the chat. We're going to hammer those out over the next couple days and get it up and running even better than it is. So anyway, double top, M for murder. Very often we get a sell-off like we did right down to a perfect level of support. Came ripping all the way back, and with just a brief pause again at 9140, took apart the 9150, 55 area, which is a really pretty good one, and then just went through the roof. And this is what happens when a news event occurs, and now we're searching for the next logical place of resistance, but we already know what it is. If you go out to a longer time frame, we are looking at this area, this 92 to 93 area that we had defined from before, now becomes relevant again, and you can see all the people who had gotten hurt getting a chance to get their money back. Above 93, we will be looking for a breakout now, which will be amazing if we get it above Big Red, but not so technically amazing. Just sort of a news-driven one after this nice high base consolidation. Just not a lot of aggressive selling going on, not a lot of aggressive buying going on in the face of the declining 200 MA and all these other weekly resistances, but that would be pretty impressive to test this away once, to disregard that. So some good news events happening in here. One was that GM is going to build compact cars in the United States, and the UAW okay's contract after being kind of beaten into it a little bit, looks like. So reformation of GM is in high gear. Great quote. And that's what's happening in the news. At least that's going to be partly why, the reason why this market went through the roof like this toward the end of the day on a Friday, when most people have sort of taken off already, gone to do whatever they're going to do on a Friday day. And we'll have this to digest on Monday. See what we can trade long into on this gap. See how much more teeth it has to chew through this 93 area. One test already, this upper shadow. And interesting to note, the trends have fallen now back down to a level that looks bullish again. So some pretty good volume flowing into this. But the trend Q has popped back up now to 0.95. And we'll have to, again, very carefully watch this to see if it pops back down here before we want to go long on Monday. And the VIX did a great breakdown below a support level that we had drawn in from before. Beautiful. Volatility bleeds out of the market. That confirms the move. Again, just make sure that the trends are matching before you go long on Monday, and make sure you have a good pattern to go in. And it could be awesome. So, very good. Hope you all have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.